to my channel. Today I'm doing a room tour. I've been getting a lot of requests, so here I am filming a room tour. So if you guys want to see how my room looks like and where everything's from, just keep on watching. So this is my door. It has this thing that my mom made me when I was little. I have this door which connects to the boiler room, and I never open this door because it's kind of scary in there. But on this side I have two sets of doors, and this is my closet, so I have my clothes, and yeah. And when I keep walking, this is what you would see on the left side. So this is my bed. I used to have a bed frame, but I got rid of it because I just like this minimal look. This throw blanket is from TJ Maxx. You can find really cute ones that are affordable at TJ Maxx. And then I have a white comforter. I have some white pillows, and then this pillow my mom actually made me. And then I have this teddy bear that my mom got me when I was at a dance competition. And then I have a brownie right there. This picture hanging thing, the cord itself is from IKEA, but you have to actually drill in to your wall to put it up, but I love how it looks. So here I have this, it's actually a name tag, and I have a picture of Kang Daniel because why not. And then I have a lot of my Polaroids that I took with my friends. And then I have this, a peach, hanging as well. And this fairy light is from TJ Maxx. My best friend actually made this for me. I think it was for Christmas. It's so cute. Over here, this is my side table. I have all my random stuff in here. But on this table, I have this oil diffuser. I always use this one, rose essential oil. I love this whole oil diffuser thing because it's really relaxing and it helps with anxiety and stuff like that. Right here, I have a pen, and then I have my journal. I have this book that I've been reading. This book is amazing. It's seriously changing my life. So I would definitely recommend if you like self-helping books. Here I have a QT book, a quiet time booklet for April. And then I have my Bible. On my wall, this is actually a page from a magazine that I just cut out. But these two, I just cut out some of my favorite pictures and quotes from a magazine, and then I just glued it on a sheet of paper, and then this is just a cutout that I put on top of it. Oh no, oh gosh, I'll pick it up later. This plant, I love this plant so much. It adds a pop of color and life into my room. The whole thing is from Home Depot, and then this little stool is from Home Goods. Right here is my whole study area. I have my desk and my bookcase. I don't know where those are from. They're pretty old and they're from Korea. I have this light. I really like it because you can control the brightness. This little thing says no regrets, and it's from Target. Over here we have some stuff taped onto my wall. These two things I got when I received my order from Marymount, and these two things I wrote because I like them. These are all kind of boring, but I have stationery things. My glasses, this SAT vocab flashcards. I have some Advil and Tom. I have some Celsius and some papers and pencils and all that, and my math notes. And I have my laptop and my mouse here all the time. This chair, I also have no idea where it's from. Yeah. This bookcase is literally stuffed with random things. On top, I have some trophies and pictures of me. And then here, I have some albums and books. I have my 101 albums, the Yohai box because I cannot throw this away. And I also have a slogan here. Here I have some AP books, ACT and SAT prep books all here. I have this huge window, and outside it's like a forest. I don't have like an actual vanity, but this works. So this table is from IKEA and the chair is also from IKEA. This mirror is from TJ Maxx. This basket holds my foundations and some of my eyeshadow palettes, contact lenses, sunscreen, moisturizer. These two acrylic drawers are from TJ Maxx. On top it says Rejoice Always, and this little kit is from Urban Outfitters. This is my mirror. I love my full length mirror. On it though, I have like my workout stuff written down. It changes like every day, but I love writing on my mirror. Here I have more Polaroid pictures that I took with my friends. Here I have some medals. In this little corner, I have my yoga mat, exercise band, and some weights. This dresser is from IKEA, and on top of it, I have Suho from Pyeongchang Olympic. And then I have this K sign that I got as a gift, and then I have this little teddy bear that I got from my mom for Valentine's Day. And this thing is from HomeGoods, and I hang all my necklaces and chokers. And then I have my lotion. So that's it for my room tour today. If you liked it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!